Yeah, dude, I can't even close underground. Yo, what's up with the lag? Yo, if you had a saw that crap though. Yeah, these kids are lag switching to the max, bro. Look at you on the mini map. Holy crap. Yeah, how did you even kill him, bro? Yo! I couldn't even pick up the bomb. That's fine. Just don't let him kill me right here. Look at these. Look, look. Oh, yeah, you guys saw that on video right there. You guys just saw that. He couldn't even shoot at the kid, man. Lag switch to the max over here. Good job. Good job. If they hit us, then I'll just freaking upload this video. I'll change my IP. Alright, let's go. Y'all. Yeah, I know. Dude, that was so